the hope that you will approve their graduation so that they will be able to enroll in the grade 7 and any schools in the country. And at the same time, for the kindergarten, they will be able to enroll for us grade 1 for the coming school year. Thank you so much.
In compliance with the Republic Act number 10533, the Enhanced Basic Education Act of 2013, and the Department Order number 8 series of 2015, the policy guidelines on the classroom assessment for the K-12 Basic Education Program and on the data just presented by Mrs. Roquesa A. Gabon, the school head of Tigbawan Elementary School, and that Department Order number 36, series of 2016, dated June 7, 2016, the policy guidelines on the awards and recognition for the K-12, the basic education program, has been complied in the selection of honor student and the special awards. I, the authorized representative of the Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Moises D. Lapian Jr., the CISO 6 of the Schools Division of Samar, hereby confirm the graduation and completion moving up of this school this 30th day of May 2024, school year 2023-2024. You are now qualified to enroll in any for kinder. You will be qualified to enroll in the grade 1 curriculum and for the grade 6 to any secondary school offering grade 7, either public or private, provided you will comply all the requirements of the institution you are enrolling. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, ma'am. You may now take your seat. Today's affair is being graced by a special person who will in a minute deliver her works of wisdom to our young graduates and completers, and to their parents as well. To get to know more of her, may we call on the grade 6 advisor, Ma'am Gina Abayan, to introduce our guest speaker.